Hello guys, how's everyone doing? I hope everyone doing great. My name is Christina Nyahamana. So the video for today will be cooking couscous uh, with vegetables, these mixed vegetables and this mushroom, because there's no many mushroom in these vegetables. So then the oil will be using canola oil and red onions, green onions, bell peppers, tandoori masala, garlic pepper herbs, ginger paste, and garlic, dash, and spaghetti sauce. I think that's all. So we'll be putting oil. Let me bring you down so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah. Then I will start with mushrooms. And mixed vegetables. So it's time to put our bell peppers. To put our onions. And green onions. So 1 tablespoon. Put salt, 1 tablespoon, and then garlic pepper herbs, 1 tablespoon too, paprika, not tandoori masala, not paprika, 1 tablespoon, and then you put ginger paste, 2 tablespoons, then garlic, I put 3 tablespoons of garlic, then we'll be putting our couscous. Then we'll be putting spaghetti sauce. Time to put our water. You can use either beef broth or chicken broth, anything. We cook it like 7 minutes. Then we see the rest ingredient. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, healthy. Okay, subscribe, share, comment. I love you all, but God love you more. Bye, guys.